Today in this series, I want to share how we can control a fan speed or a DC motor, or how to control a voltage with a potentiometer. So I have one potentiometer which is up to 10 kilo ohm, and every potentiometer will have a different value and a different watt. So basically this potentiometer is, we can say, is a 0.25 watt, which is very small, and this is a fixed resistor. So the watt will be the same with this potentiometer and this resistor. The watt is the same, so which means this potentiometer is a very small watt. So if we want to control a DC motor, we cannot control for the high ampere. We just can control for the demonstration purpose is we work for a few seconds or a few minutes. But if you have a heavy load, and the potentiometer will be burned out. So same goes to this resistor. You can use this resistor to limit the current from this fan, but if you use more longer, then the resistor will be burned out. So how we can check the value of a potentiometer is very simple. Since this is resistor, we need to select to the ohms, and we already identify, we can see there's a 10 kilo ohm, so we have to select to 20. That is the range, maximum range, and this is the first pin, and the last pin. So if we point from the first to the last, and which the value they will return on the body will display. So I have here is 9.3 something, and this is 10 kilo ohm, so there's a plus and minus 5%. No matter how I touch, the value will be stayed here. But if I move in the middle pins, this will be the value will change depending on the rotation. So decrease and increase. So if you don't want to use for this tool, you can use this tool. So the same, the value will change. So how we can change the voltage of the battery voltage or the DC voltage with this potentiometer is I'm going to share with this. So I have this is 12 volt, 12 volt fan and 12 volt DC motor, and I have a 12 volt battery, and this is 9 volt battery, and this 3.7 battery times 2 will be 7.4 voltage, but this is not fully charged. Maybe now I have only like 6-7 voltage. I can check. Also, I'm going to use a breadboard for testing, and here the first pin is positive in, and in the middle is I'm going to use as the output. So the first is positive in and the last is negative in. So in the middle is output. So the input I will use this 7.4 voltage battery. So this side is positive. Positive, we goes to positive terminal here, and from the negative we goes to the negative here. So I'm just use this as connector, and a positive here and negative. So positive we comes to the first pin, and the negative we comes to the last pin, and the middle is the output. So the output I will use this is 12 volt DC fan, and the negative we directly connect to this the negative here, a negative line, and the positive for the DC fan we link to the output here, so we can see the fan is running. But if I turn this potentiometer, the speed will change. So now it's slowing down. If I increase the value, which means if I increase the ohms, then the speed will be much more faster. So this is the way how we can change the voltage. So instead of using this battery, you still can use a 12 volt, or you can use, sorry, this is 9 volt, and you can use 12 volt battery or 12 volt power supply. So the important is the output. The output will follow the input voltage. So I'm using this is 12 volt a DC fan, so I need to apply at least a 6 volt, a 9 volt, and 12 volt. So if I replace this battery a 12 volt, this will still work. So 12 volt positive and 12 volt negative. So we can see the speed is much more faster, but the resistor will be hot. We cannot use for the long terms. So this position you can change, you can control your speed of DC fan. So instead of DC fan, I'm going to use a DC motor. So I'll remove this. Okay, I will remove this fan from the input here, and I'm going to replace a DC motor, which is 12 volt. So the output here, the output connect to the positive here, and the input we connect to, the negative we connect to the ground here. So I have a DC motor which is 12 volt, and I have a 12 volt battery right here, and I have 10 kilo ohm variable resistor. So I will increase the value of variable resistor. So we cannot use the long terms, this will be hot. So you want to check the voltage of the output from the DC here. We can use that to test. Of course, we need to select for the DC mode. So I will select to the DC mode in multimeter here. I'll click black click right here. And the red lead right here. So Here is the output 9 volt, 9.9. So once the voltage is controlled down to 4 or below 4, yeah, this will stop. So if I keep increase, then the resistor will burn. Alright, so this is not a good idea to control a large DC motor or a large fan, because as I mentioned earlier, this variable resistor is only up to 0.25 watt, which is very small. So we cannot directly control a large motor or a large fan. We can control like this LED light on a very small light bulb. Alright, so this video is just to demonstration that we can control the voltage of the DC by using this variable resistor. So I hope this video will help for someone, and thank you for watching my video. Please help me to support, to like and share in my channel. Thank you.